Hey, good afternoon, and it's time for Joe's Watch Show. I'm Joe. Let's go. We've got 2 unboxings that we're doing today, so let's get to it. And this looks like it's wrapped really well. Okay. Quick wrist check. It's a Adidas Black Bay Pro homage. It did come with a stainless steel strap. I swapped it out with this NATO. Looks pretty cool. Quartz, great little watch, and it's only $47. Can't beat it. Okay, let's see what we got. The Cronos. Okay. This is the, should be the Cronos integrated bracelet watch. My first Cronos. I'd never had a Cronos before. Kudos to I Like Watches channel. That's where I saw it. It was highly recommended. Really pretty cool case. Great for travel, I would imagine. Okay, this is certainly was a stunner. Look at that. Okay, loaded up with stickers, and even with the stickers on, you can see it's our gorgeous style. Absolutely gorgeous. Really nice. All right, I'll get these stickers off real quick and come back. Okay, I'm back. And again, look at the dial. Really stunning. Those are the little Cronos logos. Kind of tough to see here, but it is there. So it's a PT 5000 movement in the back. 39 millimeter. Bandwidth is lug width is 13.5 millimeters. Obviously, it's a integrated bracelet. It's got a really nice butterfly clasp with some nice decorative work on that. Milled, obviously. Date complication. Nice signed crown, and that's a screw down crown as well. Really a stunner. I don't have an integrated, well, I actually do have an integrated bracelet. It's an old Tissot tank watch. Okay, so we'll do a full review shortly. Signed clasp as well. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Okay, I think we've got a band in here too. Let's look at the band real quick. It's a nice leather band with the nice stitching. And a nice brown with the deployment clasp as well. And that's for the watch that's in this box. Which was one of those. It was so inexpensive that I had to buy it kind of watches. This should be a Cadisen. And it is. Hang on one second. Okay. Again, another first for me. Never had a Cadisen before. kind of nice box there. So this watch was sorry, $34 for this watch. So I mean, to me it looks very much like a moon watch, swatch, but I can't, pardon me, kind of think it's nicer. I just like the brown tones. Came out, and look at this, pretty nice NATO strap came in. So, but we're going to put this one on. Hopefully, let's see how that brown looks. Yeah, that's going to look pretty nice. Really upgrade the watch. So for $34, you can't beat it. Yes, it's definitely quartz, but it's a Mecha quartz. Let's see, give you the specs really quick. Yep, 40 millimeter, 47 lug width, and 20 millimeter band, lug width. Sorry, got those screwed up. But again, how can you beat that? And I haven't even taken the plastic off, but all right, kind of a quick 2 unboxings. We'll do reviews on these shortly, and thanks for watching.